Yeah, we had another client who wanted to open a shop. Like it wasn't a wholesale. I think it was just like a reselling of Czech. I think it was Japanese. He wanted to resell Czech natural cosmetics and stuff. So he prepared the whole website, the whole business plan. He had some agreement with one of the like Czech brands and everything. So he had everything prepared, but it wasn't running because he wasn't allowed to run it yet. But it was a trade license though. It's like it wasn't a SRO company. And he got also denied because apparently somebody was checking his website, and the reason for denial was that you couldn't click and add things to the cart to buy them. So it is most probably a scam. And we were like, but you're not supposed to run this business yet because you don't have a valid document. So sometimes it's just like it makes zero sense.
Yeah, so it's a bit of alchemy to get it done. Like now it sounds we only had like people who were denied.
No, it's literally two people who ever got denied, I think, like in the history of times.